We spend ungodly amounts of time editing for clients just to see the worst results possible. As a 20-year-old video editor who's helped over 1,500 creators, I can confidently say this is the only plugin that you will ever need, regardless of any skill level. It's the solution to fix the problem we all call time deficiency. Not using plugins is the worst decision any creator can make. Their sole purpose is maximizing your time. The best part, this plugin not only is completely free, but has over 14 animated text presets, 30 text styles, 11 transitions, 29 social media icons, 13 shape elements, and 32 sound effects. But wait, there's more. The best part is coming up. Open a tab and search up Mr. Horse. It's going to be this Mr. Horse Handy Tools for Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. It has, yes, not only a Premiere Pro plugin, but also an After Effects plugin. Hit get started for free. Hit the download button for you. It's gonna pop up over here. Follow all the instructions. You're gonna have to make your own account. Once you've done that, it's gonna pop up down here in the manager. Make sure to install all of these. Once you've installed them, go to your Premiere Pro or After Effects. Click up on the window tab, go to an extension and hit Premiere Composer. Now you have access to every single one of those elements. The best part is you have your own file design that you can store your own folders, and they will automatically be imported to every single one of your projects that you start. No need to import all of your B-roll or icons that you use time and time again just to waste time. It's going to be all right here for you. Like, I use all my sound effects. I have over 113 sound effects that I use, so it's kind of a hassle to import them every time. If you guys want that, it's a link in the description. And how you use it, all you do is go to click this little starter pack, click the little caret. It's going to drop down all of these sound effects. Are just self-explanatory. You just hit it. It's going to give you the sound effect. Just hit add. It'll add automatically down to your timeline. You can also drag and drop it. And it's basically the exact same for every single one of the other ones. And for the transitions, all you do is add one of these. So I want this zoom in, hit add. It's going to also add a sound. Now watch. Bingo. Easy as that. This is without a doubt the best plugin you can possibly use in the universe. And after all that, if you don't know how to create the right thumbnail, all this is completely useless. Click right up here to learn my thoughts and strategy I use to create a thumbnail that drove 34 times more results than any of my other videos.